Opening statements were heard today for the second of 4 men accused of gang raping a UMass college student in her dorm room 2.5 years ago. 22 News reporter Tamara Sakarzik has been following this case for months. She was there in the courtroom today.
Many times you have to look at what's there and also what's missing.
Prosecutors allege a then 18-year-old Justin King was one of 4 men who forced themselves on an intoxicated and barely conscious UMass freshman on October 13, 2012.
And his response was, I don't know. I was really drunk. I was just really. And that's what it comes down to.
The victim's friend said the 4 men invited themselves into her dorm room that night. Carissa Youngs told the jury she and her roommate were also in the victim's dorm room, but left after putting her friend to bed, assuming the men would also leave.
She seemed like she was ready for bed. She was sorry. Her eyes were fully closing. She was so slumped over and intoxicated.
That witness also said that her friend was so intoxicated that night, Justin King had to hold her up in her dorm room while they were all in there talking. She said that her friend did not say a word the entire time. She was slumped over on the bed and did not open her eyes. But they didn't leave. Prosecutors said all 4 men repeatedly raped her for hours. King's attorney told the jury the victim waited 2 days to contact police, claimed to lose a cell phone, and had demanded money from the men the day after the rape.
One of the first things she does is communicate to Mr. Bile that him and the others better come up with $500.
Emmanuel Belay was the first of the 4 to stand trial. He was convicted and sentenced to 8 to 10 years in prison in April. Witness testimony in Justin King's rape trial continues Thursday. In Northampton, Tamara Sakarzik, 22 News.